And so I kind of started using them that way. And I have three out of the four of them fairly prominent. One's on my ascendant, close to my ascendant, one's on my descendant, and then Pallas is on my sun by 2 degrees. And so I've always really felt drawn to the feminine energies. And so beyond that, when I started looking for other stories, I just started creating myself a list of everybody I could find, and it became kind of a bit of an obsession. My Aquarius stellium needs to find everything. So, my eighth house
Totally.
Aquarius. Yep. So how that manifested was I basically started going to half price books and buying a million myth books and of every culture, every pantheon. And I started going through them and writing down every single character I found that had an asteroid. And I was checking, I was physically like looking each one up and doing all this research to try to find anybody and everybody. And I started making myself a ton of notes. And then I turned around after like 2 or 3 years of this and was like, I just have hundreds of pages worth of bullet points of notes of like all these asteroids I've found. What if I turn this into a book? Because we don't have a resource. And I feel like the community needs a resource. And this has helped me so much because I was going back to this document for literally everything.